You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation, or should I say clarify the pronunciations, because yes, I'm afraid there are different ways of pronouncing it. If you want to learn more names from Italy and also fashion, stay tuned. You found the right channel. So there's a city or town in Italy called Mantua, and the dress that is called Mantua may have been named after it. It also probably from French manteau, which is like a coat. All right. Now, in English, it's often pronounced as Mantua. It can be pronounced as Mantua, which is definitely the more Italian pronunciation and I believe a little more correct, even though in English it's actually pronounced Mantua for the dress. Now, there's a village in Ohio and they pronounce it as Manaway over there, but that's, I guess, perhaps a different story. If you say Mantua or Mantua, which is the Italian pronunciation, in French Mantua, you're definitely correct. Now, if you say Mantua, you're also correct because that's the English pronunciation. I think now you know it all, don't you? Have I missed anything? Let me know in the comments. If you found it useful, like the video. Thanks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.